In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to resolve or fix if the default graphics settings on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer are not showing. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in settings, best result, you come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select system on the left panel, and then on the right side, select display. And then you want to go down and select underneath related settings where it says graphics. You want to locate the specific application you're having the problem with, so just click the drop-down arrow next to it. And then if there's an option to reset to default settings, you'd select reset. Again, if you had a lot of video games or applications, there would probably be an option there to reset. So just go ahead and select that. And if optimization was turned on, you may just have to turn it off and then select reset. And that's the first thing I recommend trying there. Something else you can do as well would be to go up on this page and where it says optimize for windowed games, go ahead and toggle that off and then select display at the top. You want to just close out of here and then open up the search menu, type in device manager. Best result, come back with device manager. Go ahead and open that up. Expand the display adapter section by double clicking on it and then right click on the display adapter listed under here and then update driver. Select browse my computer for drivers and then select where it says let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select the manufacturer specific one unless there's only generic ones, and then select next. Allow this to install here, and then just close out of here, and that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.